it's so fast. Wow.
This is exciting. You like that?
Take you to heaven, I rock you and roll you like Zeppelin.
Now we actually found a 918.
Better catch a little baby, you falling in love in my heart. Got a key for your mom, but it's also a weapon.
Hey guys, what's going on? Daniel or LAOC Exotics here, and today we're doing something very special. We got my SI in the garage right there. We have a 450 horsepower Subaru BRZ right here. And then we have a 250 horsepower Honda Civic hatchback. This guy's got a Cobra cold air intake. I got the Cobra cold air race intake, and I also got myself a Honda Flash Pro. So today we are going to install everything, and it's going to be freaking awesome. So going through the box right now, here's the Honda Flash Pro, straight from PRL Motorsports. I have not taken anything out of the box yet. Open it up, boom, we got my Cobra cold air race math intake. Check it out. There's the filter right there. There's the hoses and everything. This thing's gonna be sick. So we got the SI right here, a G in blue. We got the hood popped. Just to check it out, I think we're gonna end up taking the front bumper off, but we're about to tune this thing. Then we're gonna put the intake on, then tune it again, and it'll be dope. So step one, he's got his little pry tool. We're gonna pop out all these little rivets right here so we can get one step closer to taking off the bumper. All right, taking off a couple more. Up here, this airbox is about to look completely different with a Cobra cold air race math intake. We have the sponsor right here, Josh, letting us work in this garage.
Yep,
next to this beautiful old Stingray, nice motorhome. This kid right here, 20 years old, Jeep guy.
These Hondas aren't for me. It's just not the same.
So we got this little piece off. Now we're just taking off the strip right above the eyebrow. Same thing, pop out the rivets with a pry tool and you're in business. So we got the other piece off. Now he's getting under the car to take off the bottom part. Heck yeah. So it's all jacked up right now. We're gonna get it on some jack stands and then drop the front bumper. How you doing down there, Jeremy?
Cruising.
So first you got to get this little thing off after you take off all the rivets. There's actually a little clip right there, right where my finger is pointing, right there. You can push that down with the screwdriver and this thing will pop out. It's on both sides. And the very last thing is a little screw that's holding the bottom in. Once we take those off, the bumper should drop out. Alright, so we had to take everything off the top, and then on the sides you just kind of pull these out. Bumper's starting to come off. Right here. Alright, here it is. Bumper's gonna come off right now. There it is. The SI is completely bumperless. Heck yeah. Alright, so bumper's off. We're gonna get rid of this stock airbox. First things first, we're gonna take off the airflow sensor right there so we don't have any issues. Then we're gonna unscrew all these bolts. There's gonna be one guy right down there. You can't really see it that well. Right down there. There's another guy right down there. So we got the top of the airbox off. There's actually a small bracket way down there where there's a screw, and then if you follow the bracket, it'll show you where the other screw is. It's two different 10 millimeters. One's on the bottom of the bracket, one's on the top. You just gotta feel around for it, and then once you find it, it's pretty easy from there. Alright, so we started getting the new intake in. We got it all bolted down to the frame. We had to move the clutch line over one little spot on the subframe. The end of the intake is going to be right in there. Can't see anything, so let me show you guys with my flashlight. There's the end of the intake right there. That's where the filter goes. And he is working on connecting the hose to that end piece right now. There we go. And all I got to do is tighten this boy up. Let's get it tight. What you think?
Looks good.
Let me see.
Oh yeah, you're good.
Good?
Yep.
Heck yeah. PRL, Cobra, cold air, race intake.
What are your thoughts? How does it look?
It looks beautiful. Got the PRL logo right here. PRL logo right here. You can barely see it. But this was a job and a half, and I can't wait to see what it's like once we tune this thing and get it out on the road. So the bumper is back on right now. Everything is coming back together. We're not done with it yet, but there's that cold air intake. And we got Kevin right here doing the magic on the computer. All right, so we are tuning this thing, as you can see.
Yeah, so right now we are uploading the flash tune onto the Honda, and it's gonna get connected to the OBD2. Then from there, just press the program button, and then he's gonna be tuned on +9 PSI.
It sounds louder at idle. All right, first rev. I'm not gonna rev it high because it's brand new, but here we go. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to get this thing on the road. Woo! All right, now it's time for me to hear this on the outside, so here it is. Oh man. Oh man, let's get this thing out on the road. All right, we are going for a little night drive.
You're not even on it, are you?
Holy crap. This is so fast. Oh man.
You like that shit? Dude, yours sounds different than Jeremy's.
It does.
Jeremy's is like, it's hard to explain.
Dude, I'm gonna get in trouble driving this. Whoa there.
Repos.
Dude, it is so quick off the line.
Dude, this shit handles really fucking good.
It's not,
better than mine.
it's not even in sport mode. Oh my god. Wow.
This is exciting.
You like that shit?
I freaking love it. Wow. Dude, when you let off.
Yep, it sneezes every time. It's got COVID.
Oh my gosh, so we just took out the SI for the first time. That was crazy fast. I had the GoPro on. I tried to cut it up so you guys don't see too many boring stuff, but man, this thing pulls. It goes 48 miles per hour in second gear, and it gets up to 80 in third gear. That's freaking nuts. All right, so now we are about to do a 40 roll against that 250, 240-ish horsepower Civic hatchback owned by my friend Jeremy. So we just finished up, and now we're gonna go to oh my gosh, it's so fast. I don't know if you guys can see him right in front of us. Hopefully I have the GoPro in the right position, but we're gonna do some little Mexico runs for the one time. All right, so the Civic is right in front of us. We are waiting for the BRZ. There he is, right behind us. All right, we are gonna run this 40 roll. Let me roll my window down. It's gonna open up into 2 lanes pretty quick here. Oh my gosh. All right, here it is. Holy sh! Dang, he's quick.